us your journey of your accommodation, starting off with your first year.
So I was in Cranborne House. I just looked online at the different accommodations, and that one appealed best to me. It was a nice halls. And then I moved into
Before you moved
a,
into the second year, could you tell us what kind of vibe Cranborne House was for you?
so personally for me, I wasn't particularly close with any of my flatmates. Um, but it was a friendly vibe. But I wasn't particularly close with any of my housemates. I was mates more with my course mates in different accommodations.
Okay. And your second year?
So I moved into a four-bed house in Winton, at the far end of Winton High Street. It was okay. We got it quite late. Like we didn't book it until like March in first year, so it wasn't the best student house.
And what
But
was it like going
job
from Corf House to a house?
it was good. It was good being with my mates. Cranbourne was in obviously a much better location in terms of being right next to the big Asda, right next to the train station, a walk from all the clubs. That was obviously having to get taxis, having to walk to different smaller
Mhm.
supermarkets. So that was obviously a negative, but otherwise it was nice to be living with friends.
Your third year
Third year I lived at home on placement.
and your final year.
Um, I was back in another house in Wallace Down, eight-bed house with even more of my friends, which was good. It was closer to uni, so that was pretty good.
Was it easier to live in the house of four of your friends or eight of your friends?
It depended on the day almost. The four-bed house could be a little bit quiet at times, but equally in the eight-bed house, occasionally when I was trying to study or something, it
Could
would have
be.
probably been easier to be in a quieter house.
What do you think?